we learn that how the addition of two vector is to be done if the vectors are parallel or anti-parallel. See here, I will again show you on the whiteboard. If two vectors are if two vectors are parallel to each other, we can simply add them. These are the two vectors. Okay, A bar and B bar are the two vectors, and their resultant will be the C bar, and we can write as C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. When the two vectors are parallel to each other and are in the same direction, then we can simply add them. If next condition, if the two vectors if the two vectors are anti-parallel, means they are opposite in the direction. These are the two vectors are anti-parallel and opposite to each other, A bar and B bar. Then how the resultant is obtained? We have to take this is the resultant vector is obtained, and the direction of resultant vector is equal to the or same as that of the large vector. Okay, A bar is a bigger than B bar, therefore the C bar always has the direction same as that of the A bar. Therefore, A bar minus B bar gives C bar, and C bar is the resultant vector. This is about the two vectors are parallel or anti-parallel. Now, if the two vectors are not parallel or anti-parallel, then how we can add them? So, here we can give the name like this also, A B bar and B C bar. These are the two vectors. Then how we can add them? Here we can add them by using the law of triangle for vector addition. We will construct the triangle. Here first we can move that slide BC parallelly in this way. This is the BC vector we moved here. Okay. Now, how the law of triangle is explained. Here, if two vectors describing the same physical quantity are represented in a magnitude and direction by the two sides of triangle taken in order. इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ पर a बार AB bar is one of the vector and BC bar is the other vector. These two vectors are represented in a magnitude and direction, and both vector also represent or describe the same physical quantity. Then we can take the addition of these two vectors as these two vectors are the two sides of the triangle taken in order, and the resultant of these two vectors म्हणजे ह्या दोन वेक्टरची एडिशन केल्यानंतर अगर हम ये दो वेक्टर की एडिशन करेंगे और इसका रिजल्टेंट क्या आएगा द रिजल्टेंट विल बी द रिमेनिंग साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल and here that remaining side represent the resultant vector of these two vectors which is starting from the starting point of first vector to the end point of the second vector, and this is the law of triangle for the vector addition. And we can write this as in this way. We can write AC bar is equal to AB bar plus BC bar. AB bar plus BC bar is equal to AC bar. Or we can write in this way also, if here PQ be the side of one triangle is represented by vector A bar, QR be the side of another triangle represented by vector B bar, then their resultant is C bar represented by the remaining side of the triangle. Okay, this is the law of triangle for vector addition. Any doubt is here? A bar plus B bar is equal to C bar. This is the triangle law for vector addition. Any doubt is here?
No, ma'am.
किसी को doubt है? Okay. Okay. Good. Now we will move forward. There is a two more laws in the vector addition, and the name of laws are commutative law for vector addition and associative law. What is commutative law? Vector, here is the property of vector addition. Just a minute. Properties of a vector addition. We can write in this way. Vector addition is commutative. What is mean by commutative? See, for two vector P bar and Q bar, these are the two vectors. We can write P bar plus Q bar is equal to Q bar plus P bar. This is the commutative law. This is the commutative law. Here I am writing commutative law and how it is verified. This is the commutative law, means we can write P bar plus Q bar is equal to Q bar plus P bar. How both sides are equal, I will explain here by using the diagram. See, one side is given of triangle OA, can say P bar is a vector. Another side is given AB can be represented by Q bar. Okay, this is the direction of OA, this is the direction of AB, and the resultant is remaining side of triangle according to the triangle law for vector addition, right? And we can write here R bar. Okay, any doubt is here? Listen once again. Vector P bar and Q bar are two sides of triangle. Then we can use the law of triangle for vector addition, and we can write P bar plus Q bar is equal to R bar. Okay, in triangle OAB. Triangle OAB shows P bar plus Q bar is equal to R bar, or we can write as OB bar also. OB bar also we can write here. See, we can construct here one more triangle. How we can construct here one more triangle? I can take here a same vector. Okay, we can construct here parallelogram. In the parallelogram, the opposite sides are congruent. Here I can take a one vector Q bar and I can give the name OC. But here OC and A are congruent, right? And again I can take here one more vector which is P bar. Here OA bar and CB bar are the two vectors because these are the opposite sides of the parallelogram, right? Again here, if we apply the triangle law for vector addition in a triangle OCB. Listen carefully. If we apply the law of triangle for vector addition in a triangle OCB, which side we can take first? OC is the first side, then another side is CB, right? And the resultant is OB bar. Resultant is starting from here to the B. O is the starting point of the first vector OC. Then BC is the another vector and OB is the resultant vector. But OB is already the resultant vector of OA and AB, right? Now here in the triangle OAB, I will write here OA bar plus AB bar, it gives OB bar. See here, here is in triangle OCB also OB bar, and in triangle OAB also OB bar, right? We compare sides of the two equations. ह्या इक्वेशनच्या आपण ह्या दोन साइड जर कॅन्सल केल्या because these are equal, we can write these two equations and hence I can write here from these two equations I can write here, listen once again carefully, OA bar plus AB bar equal to OC bar plus CB bar. Okay. Now what is OA? OA is P bar, AB is Q bar is equal to OC is Q bar and CB is P bar. And hence the proof of commutative law. This is the commutative law and this is the proof. You have to prove how the commutative law is applicable here. Okay, P bar plus Q bar is equal to Q bar plus P bar. This is the commutative law. Therefore, we can say that vector addition is commutative. Any doubt is here? Any doubt is here?
No, ma'am.
Good. I will move towards the next property. Vector addition is associative. Next is vector addition is associative. Now what is mean by associative? Just I will write the first equation, then I will prove it. Here, if three vectors are considered, A bar, B bar and C bar, these three vectors are considered here, then the addition of these three vectors is associative. What is mean by associative? If we first take the addition of two vectors and then resultant of these two is added with the third one, पहले हमने दो ही वेक्टर की एडिशन ली, ए बार और बी बार की, उसको ब्रैकेट में लिया, मीन्स उसका रिजल्टेंट जो है वो हमने सी के साथ ऐड किया. ए बार प्लस बी बार इसका रिजल्टेंट सी के साथ ऐड किया, तो हम ये इक्वल टू लिख सकते हैं किसके साथ? फर्स्ट हम बी बार और सी बार की एडिशन लेंगे और इसका रिजल्टेंट ए बार के साथ ऐड करेंगे. मतलब देखो ब्रैकेट मैंने चेंज किया है, फर्स्ट ए बार और बी बार की एडिशन लेकर वो रिजल्टेंट सी बार के साथ ऐड करेंगे. दिस इज इक्वल टू द नेक्स्ट साइड में हमने क्या किया है, फर्स्ट took the addition of the B bar and C bar and that resultant added with the A bar, and this is called the associative law. फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट a बार प्लस b बार प्लस c बार इक्वल टू a bar plus now in the bracket b bar plus c bar. This is the associative law and how we can prove this. इसको प्रूव करने का है, मतलब जैसे पहले हमने प्रूव किया था सेम वैसे, बट इसके लिए डायग्राम अलग है थोड़ी सी. See here how we can draw the figure. First, one vector we can draw OP. It is a bar. Another vector PQ. It is represented by b bar. अभी हम सिंपल क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पर, ट्रायंगल लॉ, राइट. a bar plus b bar is equal to c bar and it is represented by OQ bar. Okay, it is represented by OQ bar. Or see here, or we can write here directly a bar plus b bar. ठीक है, ये हो गई OQ. Now here we have already considered three vectors a bar, b bar and c bar. Now if this is that third vector c bar, now again I have to add that c bar with the a plus b. Now consider here a triangle, consider QR. देखो अभी ध्यान में ले लो, पहले ट्रायंगल OPQ के बारे में सोचो. OP प्लस PQ यूज OQ. यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया. फर्स्ट थिंक अबाउट OPQ. ओके, तो OP प्लस PQ use OQ and that is a bar plus b bar is the resultant. अभी नेक्स्ट हमको इसमें और थर्ड वेक्टर ऐड करने का है, वेक्टर C और QR. For that consider triangle OQC. मतलब OQC ये ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करो. मतलब हम क्या करेंगे, OQ बार प्लस QR बार which gives OR बार. तो ये OR ये आ जाएगी, इसकी डायरेक्शन ऐसे ही आएगी क्योंकि दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, O is the starting point, R is the ending point. Therefore OR को हम R बार बोलेंगे, बट एक्चुअली वो क्या है, A बार प्लस B बार की एडिशन प्लस C बार के साथ. तो ये तो अभी देखो यहाँ पर इन दैट फर्स्ट फिगर what we obtain that a bar plus b bar bracket complete plus c bar equal to ये ध्यान में रखेंगे. यहाँ पर बस क्या करने का है, हमको सीक्वेंस चेंज करने का है. फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे, b बार और c बार की एडिशन लेंगे. ये है b बार, triangle PQR construct करेंगे. PQ and QR are the two sides of the triangle. Then resultant will be the remaining side. मतलब यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, B बार प्लस C बार is equal to क्या आएगा, फिर ये PR बार आएगा. ओके, PR बार. तो हम PR बार को नाम देंगे B बार प्लस C बार. अब हमें इसमें और एक वेक्टर ऐड करने का है, वो है ये, जस्ट अ मिनट, A बार. अभी A बार हमको ऐड करने का है, तो अभी हमको यहाँ पर मैंने O नाम दिया, OP इज इक्वल टू A बार. तो अब हम कैसे ऐड करेंगे, बोलो. अभी हम कौन सा ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करेंगे, ट्रायंगल OPR कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. OPR ये ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. OP is the first vector and B bar plus C bar is the another vector. कौन सा वेक्टर फर्स्ट है? OP is the first vector है और second vector है PR. Okay, Sudarshan, please don't write anything on the board. Sudarshan. Okay, OP plus PR is equal to OR, right? But what is OP? OP is, just a minute, what is OP? OP is A bar, okay, and what is PR? PR is B bar plus C bar, and which gives OR bar, means R bar only. This is the resultant only. Okay, in these two equations which I explained, first one is like this: A bar plus B bar in the first bracket plus C bar is also equal to R bar. आधीचं पण इक्वेशन तुम्हाला मी एक्सप्लेन केलेलं, उसमें क्या आया था? इन द फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to R bar. अभी ये सेकंड क्या आ गया? A bar plus, now in the bracket B bar plus C bar, it gives R bar. Now one side is the same, so we can write the left hand side is also equal, and hence we can write A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar, and this is the associative law. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Associative law means vector addition is associative and vector addition is commutative also. And vector addition is commutative also. ठीक है? Vector addition is commutative also. Now, wait a minute. Now we will go through the textbook. In the textbook, some solved examples are there. If we will go through this, you will get the idea about the one more law. Already we have learned two laws: triangle law for vector addition. One more law is also there, and the law is directly applied in the numericals, not separately given for your studies, so that we will go through directly the book. No need to learn the law, we just apply it. See, just 1 minute, I am sharing. We already learned triangle law. Here, this is the associative law. This is the associative law which we have proven. Then here, after the associative law, wait a minute. After the associative law, there is a numerical. I will explain the numerical also. See what we have to do here. Express the vector AC bar in terms of vector AB and CB shown in the following figure. हम लोगों को AC को एक्सप्रेस करना है. We have to express AC in terms of AB bar and BC bar. यहाँ पर क्या किया है? डायरेक्शन अपोजिट ली है. जनरली हम कैसे फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं? ऐसे AB ड्रॉ करते हैं और ऐसे BC ड्रॉ करते हैं. See, we are generally drawn like this, AB, and then this one is the BC. इसको हम AB बोलते हैं और BC बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर देखो BC की डायरेक्शन अपोजिट दिखाई है और AC की एज इट इज नॉर्मल दिखाई है, जैसे हम हमेशा दिखाते हैं. तो ये डायरेक्शन इन्होंने अपोजिट दिखाई है और क्वेश्चन किया है एक्सप्रेस वेक्टर AC बार. तो हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे? यूजिंग द लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन. अभी यहाँ पर हम वेक्टर एडिशन का लॉ यूज करेंगे. we have to see the direction which is very important. अभी यहाँ पर AC और CB दो वेक्टर जो है ये हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ए स्टार्ट हो गया है C तक और C से दूसरा वेक्टर स्टार्ट हो गया है B तक, तो हम AC प्लस CB ऐसे ले सकते हैं और इसका रिजल्टेंट AB आ सकता है, क्योंकि AB वेक्टर starting from starting point of first vector and ending at the end point of the second vector. Therefore, we can say here AC plus CB gives AB. Okay. Therefore, here AC plus CB is equal to AB is given. Don't read only AC plus CB. Read AC bar plus CB bar equal to AB bar. ठीक है, कैसे रीड करो यहाँ पर, कैसे रीड करो, AC बार, देखो AC बार और उसके बाद यहाँ से BC CB वेक्टर स्टार्ट हो गया है, therefore CB bar and AB bar is the resultant by using the triangle law. This equation is obtained, but we have to express vector AC. वेक्टर AC को एक्सप्रेस करना है, therefore AC bar is equal to AB minus CB. Just change the side of CB. साइड चेंज कर दी और ये इधर माइनस हो गया. सिंपल सिंपल आहे ना, ये येस नो. Mute yourself, all of you. Mute yourself, all of you. Please mute yourself, all of you. Now the second example. From the following figure, determine resultant of the four forces. Here, four vectors are given and we have to determine. And in the old syllabus, there is a law. The name of the law is law of polygon for vector addition. Polygon means anybody knows polygon? What is polygon? More than four sides. A figure has more than four sides. So here that law we have to use. First vector A1 bar. Okay. Second vector A2 bar. If we consider OA and AB are the two sides of the triangle, OB be the remaining side. OB remaining side आ जाएगी. देखो यहाँ पर फिगर में भी दिया है. In this figure, OB bar. This is the OB bar. OB bar is equal to OA plus AB. OA plus AB means A1 bar plus A2 bar. Therefore यहाँ पर लिखा है A1 bar plus A2 bar is OB bar. Now थर्ड साइड ऐड करने की है, तो ये ट्रायंगल की एक साइड कंसीडर करो और ये दूसरी साइड कंसीडर करो. A1 plus A2 is the one side and A3 is the other side. We will get OC is the resultant, right? OC we will get the resultant. Say see here, therefore OC is the resultant. A1 plus A2 plus A3 is written here. And now again OC plus CD is added. OC is the one side of the triangle and CD is the remaining second side of the triangle. Then OD is the remaining side and hence here OD is equal to OC plus CD. OC plus CD is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, and hence the resultant OD, this is the resultant OD of the four vectors a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, it is represented by OD, and which is a5. This is the law of polygon for vector addition in the old syllabus, but from your syllabus that law is removed. न्यू सिलेबस में वो लॉ रिमूव किया है, बट एग्जाम्पल के फॉर्म में दिया है. ठीक है, ये हो गए दो लॉज. ठीक है, अभी तीसरा भी लॉ है यहाँ पे, लॉ ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ऑफ वेक्टर. पैरेललोग्राम के लिए पैरेललोग्राम बनाएंगे दो वेक्टर का और फिर उनकी एडिशन करेंगे, तो उसका रिजल्टेंट क्या आएगा? क्वेश्चन see here, the next point is law of parallelogram of vectors. The law of parallelogram of vectors. In this law, the two sides are taken in a such a way that both are starting from the same point. आतापर्यंत आपण जे वेक्टर घेतले, in the law of triangle we have taken the vector in this way. Okay, AB and then BC. म्हणजे यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था, AB वेक्टर B तक एंड होता था और B से दूसरा वेक्टर स्टार्ट होता था, तो हम ट्रायंगल लॉ यूज करते थे. लेकिन अब अलग टाइप के वेक्टर्स दिए हैं, दोनों वेक्टर सेम पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं, तो इसकी एडिशन कैसे करेंगे? और इसके लिए दिया है लॉ ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम फॉर सच अ टाइप ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन. तो ये लॉ हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में पढ़ेंगे, अभी नहीं पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि होगा नहीं कंप्लीट, 1 ही मिनट बचा है, तो हम ये कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते अभी, तो हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में कंप्लीट करेंगे. चलेगा?
ओके मैम.
ओके, कोई डाउट है तो बोलो. एनी डाउट?
नो मैम.
नोटबुक में लिखते हैं कि नहीं कुछ? नोटबुक ठेवा जवळ लिहित चला. दिस इज फॉर यू ओनली, नॉट फॉर मी. ओके ओके, चलो फिर एंड करते हैं मीटिंग. चलो बाय बाय.